Cape Ray sits on the southwest coast of the island of Newfoundland. It played a crucial role as the terminus for the overland portion of the transatlantic telegraph cable linking St. John's to Cape Ray before continuing underwater to Cape Breton Island. The community is positioned on the Cape Ray Fault and is surrounded by freshwater bodies and prominent hills such as Table Mountain and the Twin Hills.